Hi, everybody.
Last time we agreed that the person counting down was gonna say it.
We did agree. We did agree with that. Don't look at my bed. Don't look at my bed.
Look at his bed.
God, my wife's gonna kill. Oh my God, I Pulp Fiction over there. That inappropriate. Anyway, hi everybody. My name is Johnny, and I'm with Lazy Goblins. Sorry, this is new. As a lot of you know, I'm looking right at the camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I gotta practice that. I'm looking at the screen though. I'm with Lazy Goblins. I'm the creative director, the artist, the level designer, and I don't know. I do a lot of stuff. We're working on UI, and over on the other side is
I'm Cody, and I'm the main programmer. I'm the only programmer.
yeah.
But yeah, that's mainly what I do, and then I help with like design decisions and stuff. But
Oh, now
Johnny's mainly the art.
adding the design.
I'm the programmer.
decisions. Yeah, he is the programmer. So as you can see, we are doing a video with both.
Oh,
of us.
and social media.
Oh yeah, he's the
social media.
social media manager, which obviously hasn't been keeping up our YouTube because this is probably going to be the first video we've done in about a month or so. You know, one of the things that you learn as you go, there's a lot of stuff to do when you're doing a video, and we just did one the other day, and I forgot to double check to make sure I didn't have echo stuff on, so the whole video was ruined because I was echoing the whole time. So,
I tweeted about it, so if you're following us on Twitter, you would have known.
what did you tweet that we had a video but we echoed a lot, so we deleted it?
Yeah, I had audio problems.
Yeah. So it's all because I'm learning the whole setup thing, and now Cody originally was recording stuff. Now I'm recording stuff, just so we don't have any issues with the internet problems. Yeah, so as you can see, at the moment, my room's a little messy. I probably should have closed the door over there. Anyways, maybe I should have stood up and had the ceiling. That's probably not a good thing. This is like the first video that will probably have messy. But other than that, we just want to kind of get back on here and catch up now that we have the webcam video streaming going on. Got microphones that everyone's requesting. Yeah, microphones, webcams. So we're like professionals now. So, but as you can tell, we were off for probably about a month. We had some stuff going on. Do you want to talk about that, Cody?
Yeah, I got married. And Johnny flew out to officiate the wedding and be my best man. And then him and his wife were awesome and got us all tickets to Universal Studios. So we had a lot of fun.
Right. Now I know what you're thinking. Why didn't we stream any of that? We don't know. We didn't think of that. We didn't.
Too much fun. Too much fun.
It's too much fun to stream. And we are still new to this whole thing, so are we supposed to have headphones on? Can I take these off? Do I need them? I don't know.
You gotta hear me somehow.
That's true. I'll try to do like you. Yeah.
Read the lips.
So we had a lot of fun. It was a blast, and it was good times. And so I basically did a little vacation. I have some family out in California, so I saw some family. Went to Denver, came back. Then I got sick. Because all the fun traveling. But the good news is, while I was with Cody and we talked, and we came up with this idea and this plan of something that we are very passionate about and we want to work on. So we kind of took a little pivot, and I know we were kind of showing you guys some stuff we were working on for a game recently. We're working on a little platformer with a grappling hook. However, we decided that we have a hard deadline for a game that we're releasing in November. So we only have about less than 90 days now, I think. No. Well, I was counting 90 days really from start of September. So the beginning of September. So that way it gives us a little buffer to kind of really start. But we've been working hard on it for about a whole week now. So.
Yeah. You got back home, what, like a week ago? 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, I worked one whole week. So yeah, a week ago, basically, yeah.
And then we sat down and talked, decided to go full force with a game idea. And ever since then, we've been working on it every single day and talking to each other every single day about it. So it's been going smooth.
Yes. So far, yeah, we've really been putting a lot of hours into it. It's kind of exciting because we're working on the other game. I was having fun and I was enjoying it. However, I didn't feel like that drive, that passion to be like, yeah, I'm working on this game. Woohoo! Now I'm feeling more like a game jam. Like I'm back in it. Like it's exciting. I'm putting in all the hours every day. I'm just touching something, working on characters, doing stuff like that. Trying to get as much done as I can before September. It's like pre 90-day challenge kind of thing. So yeah, like building up everything that we can, and we're talking about it so often, and I'm just happy and excited to be kind of going out there and doing it. So
And I think the reason that is because what we're working on is basically a remake of a game we did like years ago.
yes, it's actually still
We
available to
did it.
download. Is that not a
I don't know.
is that not a good idea? No, no, it's not.
No. If you guess it, we'll make you a character in the game.
And people that already know are not allowed to guess.
Shut up.
So yeah, it's something we did do before, and we've always talked about remaking it. Now, Cody actually in that one did a lot of the art because I don't like art, and so this time around I was like, you know what? Since we've pivoted the company and like Cody's the main programmer and I'm doing a lot of the other stuff, and sometimes that's just what you have to do in order to succeed. I'm actually really enjoying the 3D art. I'm learning a lot about Blender. I'm in Blender every day. Uh, Blender is actually really awesome. I actually plan on doing like a tippity tip video. I think maybe tomorrow about some Blender stuff that I've been finding as I've gone along my journey here, and I really love it. And I think it's actually kind of helping me be more excited about what I'm working on because not only am I learning Blender, it has so many cool tools. It's making it more easy and fun and exciting to create stuff. So yeah, and so doing these things, we're making it all 3D. We plan on releasing it on iPhone and Android. The latest,
And maybe on like a website.
maybe,
We'll
yeah,
see.
we'll see how many people hit it up. Uh, I think I think that's pretty much the latest news with that, and yeah.
Yeah, and I was gonna talk about us and the decision for you to go mainly with the art and stuff, and me to do the programming.
Yes, please.
That has really helped out a lot because now we kind of can focus and we don't have to take time to say, all right, well, who's gonna do this art? Who's gonna do this? Who's gonna do that? What are you gonna program? What am I gonna program? We could kind of just focus on our stuff and we have our tasks to do. He's all art and design and I'm all programming, so we don't have to come together and say, okay, who's gonna model this character now? Who's gonna do this now? It's we
Not
have
it.
our stuff and we're going. Yeah, nose goes.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So it's kind of helped with the process of everything. It takes out a pretty good chunk of time that would have been wasted.
Yeah, yeah, and I think too, it's actually it's kind of like you said, streamlined it, kind of given me more of a clear path. Like there's things that I still want to do, and I still enjoy coding and stuff, but it just makes sense, like. And sometimes when you're trying to decide what's the best option, like I'm not my best option is what we've talked about on the channel before. I want to get to where we can make games for a living, and we can, do that and still have the lifestyle that we want to lead, which is basically just, paying bills. But that way I could just do what I want to do from home or wherever working, or work in a studio. So I made the decision because to me it was a better idea to focus on this stuff than focus on, well, let me program too. Let's try to find the perfect asset pack on Unity that does everything that we want it to, which you never seem to find. I mean, you find there's a lot of great stuff on there, but you can never seem there's always like one or two things that you really need. So it's just more like, okay, let's just make it happen. And then I still do programming stuff for myself. Like there's still things that I learn and still things processes that I do to help improve. But it's not as much as like conflicting with trying to our goal, which is to get this company going and get a game out there. So
And I think it helps also with like each game will slowly improve art wise and stuff we could do with the gameplay and programming, because now we're focused on that and we can specialize in it and progress a lot faster than we normally would have.
Exactly. And the only downside is Cody's like, okay, I programmed that. What do I do now? It's like, and I'm like, okay, I'm trying to finish one character. Give me a time. I don't enjoy programming, art. So give me a second. I enjoy actually art a lot. I just don't enjoy characters. But I've actually been having a lot of fun with these characters, and you'll see why. Not right now.
Character looks really good.
Yeah,
it looks really good.
Looking cute.
Proud of him.
Cute little guy. So yeah, and that's the thing is like maybe after we get to a certain stage, I'll show you guys. I haven't done any recording, but I can show you guys kind of how I did it, my process, and I think I still made a really good character, even though I kept it very simple. Excuse me, sorry. Like I said, I'm still a little sick, so, but yeah. That's pretty much it. Now, like you said, we have the web stuff going on. This whole camera thing is all new, so that's exciting.
I know. It's freaking me out.
We're like a legit streaming studio now. But I think that's pretty much all we wanted to catch up on today. And just kind of...
Yeah, we just kind of wanted... Go ahead.
No, you first, please.
We just kind of wanted to do a video to update all the subscribers and everybody, where we're at, what we're doing, and let you know that we're not gone. We're still here.
Yes, and sometimes that happens in a company. You gotta, like we said, do a pivot and make a change for the better in which way you want to take everything. And so that's kind of what we did.
Yep, and it's good because this game has always been on the back of our minds since we first did it. We're always like, oh, we wish we had the time to remake it than what we did, because we initially did it for a game jam for just 1 month. We're like, all right, let's just make a game in a month just to get a game out there to say that we did. And ever since after that, we've always wanted to revisit it and remake it and make it even better and all this other stuff. So we're super excited about it.
We're pumped. So yeah, and that's kind of the video too. We wanted to make sure that it's like, hey, we are back, we are here, we didn't disappear, even though I know
that rhymes.
Yeah, and we weren't doing anything. We didn't do anything.
We're back. We are here. We didn't disappear.
Poof. Yeah, so we're back. So I do see. Last time I checked, we were at 94 subscribers, and I think we're still. At least, I was planning on trying to do some kind of giveaway when we got to 100. So we're still kind of on that path. Mostly we're just focused really on this stuff, and so we will be doing still like a podcast type thing. We're gonna make them a little shorter, I think, on Fridays. I think we've been going over a little too long. We still plan on doing that. Oh, that's some other news we did mention last time around. So we actually have some exciting stuff too. We have an artist that we hired for certain things, such as a logo, and to help us out with some stuff that we're going to be doing. And we may have her actually on the show, the little stream. I don't know if is this a show? I have no idea. We might have her on at some point to kind of just talk to some stuff about everything. I don't want to introduce her just yet, but yeah, we're going to have her on. She's going to do our logo for us, some our characters, our little goblins faces and stuff like that we're going to have during our podcast. But yeah, we're going to try to keep those, like I said, a little shorter. And then we're going to try to do a Monday video, just kind of quick, hey, what's up? Maybe things, thoughts, stuff like that. And then we're going to do at least one other video throughout the week, like a Tippity Tip Tuesday type thing or something else. Maybe
and,
thoughts.
Yeah, and I'm going to try to keep going with the game dev tip videos to just give some helpful tips to all you game developers out there.
Yeah, and if you want to be like Cody and work from home making games, you should follow those videos.
Yeah, totally.
Because he's totally going to help you reach that goal of working from home making games. Right, Cody?
No guarantees. That's in our separate course, which is $9.99. That's $999.
Yeah, and you'll learn everything you need to know. Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's pretty much it. We are back. We are here. And like we said, we've done a lot of improvements. We both have mics. We both have video cameras now. So we're like, woohoo, speeding up this process.
Yeah.
So I think that's it for this time. What do you think? We're good?
Yeah. I think that's it.
Yeah, so we're good. All right, everyone. So thanks for stopping by.
Keep creating.
Keep creating. Keep creating. And keep creating. You got to do it too. That's our thing. Keep creating. Oh, here it is. Start out video.
That's gonna be on the thumbnail. We're both in it.
Keep creating. All right. So yeah, keep creating and stay tuned for more updates on what's going on with us. And we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.